I couldn't walk to my mailbox without knee pain. This $25 knee brace changed everything in just 3 days. If your knees hurt, especially going upstairs or getting out of chairs, watch this entire video. Let's start with number 5 and work up to my top pick, the one I wear almost every single day now. Brace number 5, Ace brand knee brace. The Ace brand knee brace with side stabilizers. You can find this at pretty much any drugstore or on Amazon. What I like about it: first off, it's affordable, usually around $20 to $25. If you're on a budget or just want to try a knee brace without spending a lot, this is a decent starting point. It has side stabilizers. Those are the metal or plastic strips on the sides that keep your knee from bending sideways. This is really helpful if you have instability or your knee sometimes feels like it's going to give out. The compression is decent. It's not amazing, but it does provide some support and reduces swelling a bit. And it's adjustable with Velcro straps, so you can get a custom fit. That's important because everybody's knee is a different size. The downsides: it slides down. This is my biggest complaint. After walking for 20-30 minutes, I'd have to stop and pull it back up. Really annoying. The compression isn't strong enough for serious arthritis pain. It provides light support, but if you have moderate to severe knee pain, this won't be enough. It's also kind of bulky. You can see it under most pants, and it's not the most comfortable for all-day wear. Who should get this? If you have mild knee pain and want to try a knee brace without spending much money, start here. It's also good as a backup brace to keep in your car or gym bag. But if you have significant arthritis or pain, keep watching because the other braces are way better. Price: usually around $20 to $25 on Amazon. Link is in the description. Brace number 4, Copper Fit Knee Sleeve. The Copper Fit Knee Compression Sleeve. You've probably seen the commercials for this. What's good about it? The compression is actually really good. It's a sleeve that you pull on, no Velcro, no straps, and it provides even compression all around your knee. This feels great and reduces swelling noticeably. It's comfortable. The fabric is soft, breathable, and you can wear it all day without it bothering you. I've worn mine for 12+ hours with no issues. It's thin enough to wear under regular clothes. You can barely see it under pants, which is nice if you don't want everyone knowing you're wearing a brace. And the copper-infused fabric is supposed to have anti-inflammatory properties. I'm skeptical about that claim, but the compression alone does help reduce inflammation. The problems: no stabilization. This is just compression. There are no side supports, no hinges, nothing to stabilize your knee if it's unstable. So if your knee wobbles or feels like it might give out, this won't help with that. It's also harder to put on if you have limited mobility or hand strength. You have to pull it up your leg, and the compression makes it tight. Some seniors struggle with this. It can roll down at the top and bottom if you get the wrong size. Sizing is critical with sleeves. Who should get this? If you have arthritis swelling and inflammation, but your knee is stable, this is great. It's perfect for everyday wear under clothes. Also good for exercise, walking, light workouts, stretching. The compression supports your knee without restricting movement. Price: about $20 to $25 for one sleeve or $25 to $30 for a pair. Sizing tip: if you're between sizes, go with the larger size. Too tight and it's uncomfortable. Too loose and it slides down. Link is in the description. Brace number 3, NEENCA Knee Brace. The NEENCA knee brace with patella gel pads. This one's really popular on Amazon with thousands of 5-star reviews. Why people love it? The gel pads. This brace has gel pads that sit around your kneecap, your patella. These pads provide targeted support and cushioning right where you need it most. For people with kneecap pain specifically, this is a game changer. The side stabilizers are excellent. Strong but flexible. They prevent side-to-side movement without making your knee feel stiff or locked. It has dual side springs. These provide extra support and help distribute weight evenly across your knee. When you bend your knee, you can feel the springs supporting you. The compression is adjustable. Multiple Velcro straps let you customize how tight it is so you can get the exact amount of compression and support you need. And it stays in place. The anti-slip silicone strips on the inside grip your leg, so this doesn't slide down like cheaper braces. The downsides? It's bulkier than a sleeve. You can definitely see this under pants. It's more of a medical brace look. It takes a bit of practice to put on correctly. With all the straps and gel pads, you need to position everything right. Not hard once you learn, but there's a learning curve. Some people find the gel pads too stiff at first. They do soften up after a few days of wear. Who should get this? If you have kneecap pain right on the front of your knee, this is probably your best bet. The gel pads make a huge difference. Also great if you need strong support for activities. I wear this when I'm doing my exercise routine or going on longer walks where I need extra stability. Price is usually around $30 to $40 on Amazon. This is the sweet spot for price versus quality. You're getting medical grade support without paying $100 plus. My experience, I wore this one for a month straight when my knee pain was at its worst. It reduced my pain by probably 60 to 70%. I could do my daily walks again without limping. Brace number 2, Bauerfeind GenuTrain knee support. Now we're getting into the premium category. What makes this special? Medical grade quality. This is the brace physical therapists and orthopedic doctors recommend. It's used in actual medical treatment, not just for general support. The knitted compression fabric is incredible. It provides graduated compression, tighter in some areas, lighter in others, which improves circulation and reduces swelling better than any other brace I've tried. The Omega Pad is a silicone insert that sits around your kneecap and provides a gentle massage effect when you move. Sounds weird, but it actually helps reduce pain significantly. It's breathable and moisture-wicking. Even in hot weather or during exercise, this doesn't get sweaty and uncomfortable like other braces. And the durability is outstanding. I've been wearing this for 6 months, washing it regularly, and it still looks and works like new. Cheaper braces fall apart after a month or two. The downsides? It's expensive. We're talking $80 to $120 depending on where you buy it. That's 4 to 5 times more than the cheap braces. You need to measure your leg carefully to get the right size. They have a sizing chart, and you need to measure the circumference of your leg at specific points. If you get the wrong size, it won't work properly. It's not as adjustable as braces with straps. It's a pull-on sleeve design, so the compression is what it is. You can't tighten or loosen it. Who should get this? If you have moderate to severe arthritis and want the absolute best compression and pain relief, this is worth the money. If your doctor or physical therapist has recommended a knee brace, ask them about this one specifically. It's what they often recommend to their patients. If you've tried cheaper braces and they didn't work, this is the next step before considering injections or surgery. Price is $80 to $120 on Amazon, sometimes cheaper on medical supply websites. This one, I felt the difference immediately. The compression is firm but comfortable, and the Omega Pad really does seem to reduce pain significantly. Within a week of wearing this, I was able to walk a mile without stopping, something I hadn't done in over a year. Is it worth the extra money? If you have serious knee pain, absolutely. If you just have mild discomfort occasionally, probably stick with a cheaper option. Brace number 1, Powerlix knee compression sleeve. And my number 1 pick, the brace I wear almost every single day, the Powerlix knee compression sleeve. Why this is my top choice? It's the perfect balance of everything. Not too expensive, not too cheap. Strong compression, but still comfortable. Good support without being bulky. This is the Goldilocks brace, just right. The compression is excellent. It's firmer than the copper fit, but more comfortable than a rigid brace. You feel supported without feeling restricted. The anti-slip silicone pattern works. This does not slide down. I can wear it all day, through walks, exercise, whatever, and it stays exactly where I put it. It's thin enough for all-day wear. I've worn this under jeans, dress pants, even shorts. It's not invisible, but it's discreet. The 4-way stretch fabric moves with you. When you bend your knee, the fabric stretches. When you straighten it, the fabric tightens. It's responsive to your movement, and it provides pain relief. For me, this reduces knee pain by about 50 to 60% on most days. Some days more, some days less, but consistently helpful. The downsides, and they're minor, no side stabilizers. Like the copper fit, this is compression only. If you need lateral support to prevent your knee from wobbling, you'll want the NEENCA or Bauerfeind instead. You have to pull it on. If you have very limited hand strength or mobility, this might be challenging, but it's easier than most pull-on sleeves. The sizing can be tricky. You really need to measure your leg according to their size chart. Too big and it slides. Too small and it's uncomfortable. Who should get this? Honestly, most people. If you have general knee pain from arthritis, old injuries, or just aging, and you want one brace that works for daily wear and exercise, this is it. It's my go-to for daily walks, my 10-minute exercise routine, link in the description if you haven't seen that, running errands, yard work, basically any day my knee is bothering me. Price around $20 to $25 for one or $35 $35 to $40 for a pair, which I recommend. Why I wear this one most? After testing all 5 braces, I keep coming back to this one. It's comfortable enough to wear all day, supportive enough to actually help, affordable enough to buy multiple pairs. I have 3, one in the wash, one drying, one wearing, and effective enough that I notice a real difference in my pain level. Is it the absolute best knee brace on the market? Probably not. The Bauerfeind is more advanced, but for the price and the all-around performance, this is unbeatable. If you're going to try just one knee brace, make it this one. If you're on a tight budget, start with the Ace brand, $20 to $25, or Copperfit, $15 to $20. Not perfect, but decent for the price. If you have arthritis, swelling, and inflammation, Copperfit or Powerlix. The compression reduces swelling noticeably. If you have kneecap pain specifically, NEENCA with the gel pads. Those pads make a huge difference for patellar pain. If your knee feels unstable or wobbly, NEENCA or Bauerfeind both have good lateral support. If you have severe arthritis or chronic pain, Bauerfeind GenuTrain. It's expensive, but it's worth it for serious issues. For everyday wear under clothes, Copperfit or Powerlix. Both are thin and comfortable. For exercise and physical activity, Powerlix or NEENCA. Good support without restricting movement. My recommendation for most people, start with the Powerlix. It's affordable, effective, and comfortable. If that doesn't provide enough support, step up to the NEENCA or Bauerfeind. All links are in the description with current pricing and size charts. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos that pair perfectly with this one. Subscribe and hit that notification bell because next week I'm reviewing the best mattresses for seniors with back pain. If your back hurts, you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching. Take care of those knees, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and pain-free.